Yeah, g'day team, Scotty Hillier here, proud ambassador for AllBrand Caravan Services, chatting with Toddy. Now, starting to get warmer, storm season is coming around.
Yes.
Hailstones in the storms. Now, we don't want to allude you, but typically that's from hail damage?
Yeah, it is, mate.
Yeah.
And, we're looking over one that's been getting done for hail damage, and the one next to it's just been fully resheeted from front to rear to side to side.
Okay.
What we want to speak about with you today is maybe some information about people with hail damage and insurance, that they're making sure that their caravans are insured to the right value.
That is such a big thing. People buy a van and just think, yeah, it's insured. They get a hailstorm. Oh, sorry, the fine print. You've got to look at the fine print.
Well, the family scenario that I've even been a part of, where my dad's gone and bought a new caravan, and he's got it from a friend cheap, or he's got it off a Scotty Hillier that's been done work with someone and looked after. He said, oh, well, I've only paid 40 grand for that, but the actual replacement value is 65.
Yeah, that's
so they've insured it for $40,000.
Yeah.
It's got all this works and jerks on it. Yeah. And the other thing is, if you're upgrading things on your caravan, your insurance company needs to know.
Yeah.
Oh, I've put more solar on, I've put lithium batteries in, I've put this sort of stuff.
Such valid points.
Yeah, so I worry about that for a lot of clients that we see come through our front door don't do that.
Yeah, okay.
So please be mindful of that, guys. Do that for us, please. And the other thing is, if you are in a position where you're caught in a storm, we're here to help.
Yeah, that's right.
We're here to help.
Yeah.
We work with all the insurance companies out there.
Yeah.
We deal with all of them. And if we don't know somebody and you're in another state, also, I can help you out there.
There you go.
So I don't want to just leave you in the lurch. You've been one of our clients for ages.
Yeah.
If you're in New South Wales, Victoria, WA and stuff like that, we're a part of associations with no good people.
Not just storms, if anything. So what are some other things maybe?
Oh, mate, driving along, people hitting sort of dips in the road, suspension problems.
Low tree branches.
Yeah. Who doesn't had a situation where they haven't tied their awning down?
Yeah.
Wind gust has come up, blown it over, haven't closed the window accidentally. So it was your job, it was your job, it was your job.
Next thing you're arguing for the next hour was yours.
So we don't want that.
No.
We want to be able to help you out the best we can to sort of fix those sort of problems.
As you said, you work for all the major insurance companies. So the biggest message I can take out of this is check your insurance. Make sure you're covered for all of what's about to come this summer.
Yes.
God forbid it happens to you, but if it does, anywhere in Australia,
please give us a call.
AllBrand Caravan Services.
Yeah, we want to help you. We want to help you out because as these sort of things happen, we've got great clients on the road. We're here to help you out. So don't just, and make sure you call us. Please don't just go straight to your insurance company. Give us a call. We'll get it through and we'll put the process through a lot easier. And what we want to do is take the stress out of people's lives.
Yeah, peace of mind. I love it. So there you go. So if you are heading out in the next month, in the next 6 months, in the next year, we want to make sure that you're safe on the road.
Yeah. See you. Bye.
AllBrand Caravans. AllBrand Caravans.